This is my daily update for my build in public log. Just Schedule Me is ready for you to test. If you want to use the demo, you can. It is free. There is no sign up required. You just scroll down here. This landing page is changing today, but essentially you're going to scroll down or click try it. No sign up. Type whatever you want into the box, hit go. I added a nice little trivia thing. So while you wait for the AI to create an event, you get a nice little tidbit, some like interesting facts about time, calendars, and anything related to the calendar scheduling. I'm looking at it, reading everything. Like it's interesting, and I'm learning things myself from that. Just so again, I'm a user, and even I'm enjoying that. Just something interesting while you wait. Once you do that, you have all sorts of options of where you want to add it. If you want Google Calendar, which a lot of people use Google Calendar, there you go. It is working. Go try it. Let me know what you think. And God, for the love of God, please let me know if there's a bug. Now, this is only going to let you do one event. And if you try to do multiple events at the same time, you're going to be upsold, I guess is the right term. So that's not for the free demo, but for now, the free demo is there. It's on. I'll drop a link in the description, but it's just schedule.me. Painfully close to being done. So what the hell is just schedule me? This is a micro SaaS built on a micro AI agent that I built. Essentially, you can really, really, really frictionlessly create an event on your calendar from text, an image. You can scan a flyer or something on your phone. Just click a button and add it to your calendar. It could be anything, an Instagram post. It could be an email that you copy and paste. I literally just did that right before this call for an actual real thing I'm going to next weekend. It worked. The email did not say the time, so it just scheduled it for all day, but that's not really a fail. It just has no context and it has no clue how long the event is. And so it just like it just set it to all day. So I had to go and adjust it because they didn't put it in the email. It's kind of frustrating, actually. So it needs actual context. You have to actually tell it, like the example I just did. But if the context is there in the image, in the flyer, in a message, it's gonna create the event. But anyways, if you want to change it, change it. Be like, oh, actually, like let's talk Friday. No, let's actually do 30 minutes. Done. Click. So go try it. Let me know what you think. Schedule some goddamn things on your calendar, please. That's what it's for. What's next? So right now, I am trying to just finish that last integration with signing up, having a real account, and it verifying and being like, okay, yes, you have an account. You have all the features unlocked. You have a paid account. So I'm just wrapping that up. I'm still on track to launch this week. So I need to just hustle, get that last bit working. This is not deployed the changes to the landing page. This is what's there right now. You can go try it out, but all of this is going to change. The bunch of stuff is on the landing page, and this will actually work. You'll be able to like sign up, log in, because I need to know that you actually have an account to actually unlock all the features. So that's that off Stripe logic that validates everything. That's what I'm doing right now. I am so excited. I'm so excited because I literally went to my own page and created an event because this is exactly why I built this thing. It was an email with like a blurb of text, really garbage, no event, no link, no nothing, just a big jumble of horrible text just in a text email. And I copied and pasted it and boom, added it right to my calendar. That's it for today. Tomorrow I have a very special video for the 150th episode. I'm super excited what I'm going to talk about. So tune in. You can click notify me when that drops. That's already pre-recorded and ready to go. I'm super stoked about that. Exciting stuff happening. On to questions and comments. No questions and comments today. If you made it this far, if you could please, please, please click the like button or just drop a comment in the comments. Just say launch it. Just launch it. That's it. Anything. It really helps the algorithm. YouTube has been a bit better because some people have clicked that like button. It's really, really helping. So super appreciate it. So much exciting shit is coming on its way. I swear it's going to be good. It's going to be really good. A lot more building actually in public. So stay tuned. Stay tuned. I swear it's going to get better. So I went on an expedition to Antarctica years ago. Oh God, I think it was like 2017 now. So quite a while, like 8 years ago. I kind of met up with a couple before the trip because we both booked like an extra package, like go see Buenos Aires in Argentina before. And I kind of hooked up with them and just by chance, just like here, you're on a tour together, and they were on the same, going on the same expedition, the same boat. And I, just hit it off with them. We had a good time, and we got on the boat. Like we met each other on the boat later on. You could see some people down here on a little boat. This is a real picture I took. By chance, we met other people on the boat our age, like millennials. We were a group of millennials, and there wasn't many millennials, surprisingly. Everyone was older because it's expensive as shit to go on this expedition to Antarctica. You go on like an expedition kind of ship. It's not like a big cruise ship. It's like much smaller, more intimate. Kind of a bunch of us grouped up and we did everything together. We went on the boat together, the little boat. We'd go out on land and go on little tours around on boats and stuff. And one of the people from the little group I was in is here in London right now. I saw on Instagram they didn't know that I lived here, and it made me think back to my Antarctica trip. I'm a huge traveler. I basically live to travel. I've been to all seven continents of the world. I've been to the North Arctic, the South Arctic, lots of places in between. I've been to most of the continents multiple times. I actually want to go back to Antarctica. So I'm a huge, 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 huge traveler. And the big, big, big checklist, like one of the big things that check off your list is to go to Antarctica because you want to be one of those people that have gone to all seven. It's a very exclusive group of people. It's estimated like 1 million people in world history have gone to all seven continents out of like 100 billion people. So it's really rare. Most of the I know only like one person who has done it who was not on that boat with me. Like most of the people I know were the people that I went on this expedition with. One of my very, very favorite moments was we were on land. So you're on a boat, obviously, and you get on this little boat and they drive you from the big boat to land. This is obviously land. And one of my favorite moments is we were there for hours, half a day or something, and I just went off on my own and I just like sat down on a rock. Not here, but maybe it was the same day. And I just sat there on a rock, and I just sat there just by myself for like an hour. It's pretty cold. I started to get cold, and I just sat there and I was just looking down at the penguins coming in and out of the water, just sitting there thinking about life, and literally one walked right in front of me. I mean, like inches away, centimeters away. I could have just reached my arms down and picked up the penguin. They don't have a fear because there's no predators on land. On land, they're very scared in the water, but on the land, there's only these weird humans that sometimes show up. They ignore you. And I remember I looked down and this stupid penguin just they kind of are like, if you've ever seen Star Trek and the Borg, they like autonomous, they're like robots. They just kind of like ignore. If you don't mess with them, like they just ignore you. They're almost like that. It's very bizarre. Sometimes they look up at you, but they just kind of like go about their day and just ignore you like you don't exist. It's the weirdest fucking thing. It's like, why? How could you just ignore me? I'm some weird guy just hanging out here. So I remember sitting there and I thought, this is wild. This is so weird. Like what a weird lucky life I have to be able to sit here and just watch all of this unfold. Like See, well, honestly, one of my favorite memories was just sitting there for like an hour thinking and just watching all these stupid penguins and just thinking how surreal. Like this is just so weird. I'm a lucky motherfucker. Made me think of that trip, talking to her group of people, and that woman, she was there somewhere floating around near here. Really cool. Made me think back to that trip. One of my favorite trips I've ever taken. I'm obsessed with Antarctica. It's weird. I have a weird obsession with it. I so want to go back before I die. Um, and I want to go deeper inland too. But anyways, that's all I got. I will see you tomorrow. Stay tuned for my special 100th, 150th episode special announcement video. See you tomorrow.